Area Rug Masters by The Best Restoration present our brand new area rug cleaning facility. Our advanced imported equipment will get your area rugs cleaner and back to you in a shorter time than ever before.
With Area Rug Masters' new state-of-the-art equipment, we're the only ones in North Central Florida that can provide you with the highest quality cleaning and care for your rugs.
Now through March 30th, get one rug cleaned, get another of equal or smaller size cleaned for free. Contact Area Rug Masters today.